Namaste students, myself Vishnu Samodia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University Jaipur. Session Fisher Projection Formula and Wedge Dash and Wedge Flying Projection Formula. Student, today now we discuss the Fisher Projection Formula. It is difficult to draw three-dimensional structures of organic compounds. So on a proper or on a blackboards, so it takes too much times the Fisher projection, a method to show the spatial arrangement of groups around the tetrahedral carbon atom on a two-dimensional papers. So these projection formula are called Fisher projection formula. So Fisher projection is a two-dimensional representation of three-dimensional. Fisher projection formula usually done for molecule containing chiral center or chiral carbons. So chiral carbon makes a cross with a carbon atom at is the intersections of the horizontal and vertical lines. In a Fisher projection formula, the horizontal line represent bond above the plane front wards, and vertical lines are represent bond is below the plane and back handed. So the Fisher projection formula were originally proposed for the description of the carbohydrates. So students, the two in this examples are given below. It is a Fisher projection formula. Two bonds are coming out of the plane are the horizontal line, and two remaining bond are going into the plane are on a vertical face. Students, and now the examples are two lines are present. Say one lines are the above the plane and the front side plane, and it is a horizontal lines, and vertical lines is the below the plane, and the dash lines are so in the Fisher projection formula. So students, first now we rule of the Fisher projection formula. It is the now we start Fisher projection of the tetrahedral carbon atoms, and the represented by two crosses lines. In the horizontal lines are represent bond of the above the plane, while the vertical lines are represent bond the below the planes. For examples, in the for compounds are A, B, C, D. Carbon is the bromine, cyanides and NH2 and hydrogens are represent, and one it is the chiral carbon. So main carbon atom chain is written for the above the below the plane is the C1. Br atoms is written on the upper sides of a vertical lines, and other and alkyl groups, that is the cyanide, that is the NH2 groups, it is written on the lower side. So the order of the two atoms are or groups are written and two ends corners of the horizontal lines. It is a Fisher projection formula. So following the to the important phase should be noted with we will talk about the Fisher projection formulas. Projection formulas can be neither be inverted and nor the rotate from the plane of the projections. So a Fisher projection can be rotated on the page by the 180 degree, but not be 90 and 270 degrees. So these will be changes the configuration of the molecules, and for examples are given below in the Fisher projection formula. Wedge lines are horizontal lines, and heat lines are the vertical lines. So 3D convert to 2D arrangement in the Fisher projection formula. Examples are Athens. So Fisher projection formula is used to different between L and D compounds. So it is if the two good chiral carbon get interchanges twice to the configurations does not change. For example, say the D glucose and L glucose. So students, next are the wedge dash projection formula, and wedge dash projection formula is a solid wedge, a solid and a bond lines represent a bond projection above the plane of the papers. that is the bond pointing say towards the reader to the dashes in the dashed lines is represented the bond of below the planes, and that is the bond of pointing away from the reader. Reachers will be solid lines, and constituent lines are represent of the bond in the plane of the paper. So students, the weight dash projection formula of the compound containing one chiral centers. So if A and B are the center of carbon, is the position above the wavelength lines of the C and D are the position of below of the lines in the compound is shown by the wedge dash projection formula or structures are given below. So wedge dash it is the usually done for the molecules containing chiral center and chiral carbon. Chiral carbon that is the four different substituents. So wedge and hatched are called the dotted lines, wedge and dash lines are the flying wedge. So wedge the bond is front of the planes, and he hatched in a behind to the plane. So the bond in the same plane draw in strength lines. The bond is front of the plane and draw wedge, while is behind the plane and draw hatching. So examples are 3D arrangement of the carbon. Carbon is one attached of the chlorine atom, one next attached of the bromine atom, and one atom are attached to CH3 groups, and one atom are attached of hydrogen group. So the 3D directions do not lie in the same planes, but in the 2D directions are represented in below wedge. The bond structures are strength lines are the chlorines, and the chlorine center of the chiral centers, and heat in the below the plane is the hydrogen atom, and above the plane is the CH3 groups or alkyl groups, and plane are present is bromine atoms. It is the wedge dash projection formula. Okay students. So students, that draw the structures of the wedge dash projection formula is the 3D direction do not line to the same planes, and convert to the wedge dash bond structures are represented the 1 2 carbon atoms. So one carbon atom the one bond in the plane of the papers is and one is the below the plane, and one is the above the planes of the bond above the planes of the lines of the papers. So next second atoms are the bond is below the lines of the papers and bond is above the lines of the papers. It is the represent of wedge dash projection formula. So examples are the draw chloroethanols in the wedge dash bond structure. So students, the wedge dash projection examples are the chloroethanols, the structure is the cycloalkanes. So wedge and dash and convert to the next examples are the wedge and dash in the examples. So wedge is the NH2 groups and dash is the heated and the OH groups. And first examples are wedge is the ethynyl groups and dash is the methylene groups. Okay students. So different types can convert to the wedge dash projection formula and Fisher projection formula. Okay, thank you.